All right, so I have a pitching diamond. It's a square. And I have a pitching rubber right here. I have a baseball diamond pitching rubber. And I know that this distance right here is 46 feet. I know this distance is 60. And I know that this angle is 45 degrees because it's a straight line through. So it's splitting this, which this is a square, everyone's a right angle, in half. Okay. So the first thing I want to know is I want to know what this distance is here, x. I want the distance from the pitching rubber to first base. So I can use the law of cosines, and I know that x squared is my two sides that I do know squared, this side and this side, minus 2 times that a and b and c times the cosine of that 45 degrees, because the 45 degrees is opposite the x. So I put this all in my calculator, take the square root. I find that the distance is 42.6 feet to first base. Now I want to know how far it is to second base. So I know this is 42.6. I know this angle also is 45 degrees, and I want to find this here. Well, I think what I really need to do is I want to find this angle, so I need to find that angle. So I'm going to call that angle alpha, and I'm going to say, okay, well, the sine of alpha over 46 equals the sine of 45 over that 42.6 I just found. So the opposite sides, 45 over 42.6 and sine of alpha of 46. So that gives me that alpha value. So my angle right there is 49.8. So this is 49.8 degrees, and now I know that this angle is 90 minus 49.8. So that angle there is 40.2 degrees. So now I can find this distance y. So I know that the sine of 40.2 over y equals the sine of 45 degrees here over 42.6, that distance we found. And if I solve for that, it tells me that the distance to second base is 38.9 feet. Okay, the last thing I want to know is I want to know if he faces home plate, so he's facing this way, how much does he have to turn? So I want to know this angle. I'll call that angle beta. So I want to know that angle beta. I can use law of sines again. So I have the sine. Actually, I don't even have to use the law of sines. I found 49.8. I can just say that I have 180 minus 49.8 plus 45, and that gives me 84.8 degrees. So that's how far I have to turn. So that would be C.